Now that the World Cup is home and the men in blue have etched themselves in our memories as champions, let's talk about how all of that will translate in the endorsement world. ET Now's Sonali Krishna is joining us to tell us which cricketer would really benefit the most. Well, tell us, Sonali, who will be worth his weight in gold?
There's no question about that. It is MS Dhoni. And, he currently endorses about 19 to 21 commercials, brands at the moment. And his valuation stands anywhere between 1.5 to 3.5 crore, depending on the category, the brand lies in. But post this, he will definitely go on to become the most expensive cricketer, and also the most expensive brand ambassador just after Amir Khan. Experts in this space say that he can charge anywhere between 10 crores to 12 crores for a year. And Amir is just a notch above that at 14 crores. So really, the man who will rake in all the moolah will be MS Dhoni. Looking at Yuvraj, who's also had a very good tournament, he used to charge anywhere between 80,000 to a crore. That's also keeping in mind that he wasn't really in form, prior to the World Cup. But now that he's arrived, he can go up to maybe 2.5 to 3 crore. But that's also because he'll have to prove himself that he can actually sustain this kind of form and the kind of innings he's played. So that's what we're hearing for Yuvraj. In terms of youth icons who emerged and are here to stay, it's definitely Virat Kohli, who was originally charging about 75,000, can go up to about 1.5. All in all players who have performed can expect the valuations to go to up to about 50%, barring maybe Srishant, who hasn't really performed. But if you look at Sachin Tendulkar, I mean, he's had a great innings, sure, and it was his dream to win this World Cup. What's interesting is his endorsement fee will change only marginally, maybe 20 to 30% spike. That's really because of the fact that he has about a year or 2 years at the most left, so no brand would want to punt so heavily on him. So he would continue to charge in the range of about 3.5 to 5 crores.